2014 Volkswagen Jetta. We're doing us a tune-up. This is the 2.0 SRE motor. This is the one that has the spark plug wires instead of the coils like on the TSI or TFSI, the ones that are up top where the connectors break on them all the time. If anybody's done anything on an Audi or Volkswagen, they know exactly what I'm talking about. So spark plugs for these are pretty easy. You need a 5-inch with a long extension spark plug socket, a magnet, spark plug wire tool. This is common, GM uses these, and I used a small tipped right angle pair of needle nose pliers to get one set over here. All right, over here is going to be number 3 and 4. You can use this tool as you get down inside there. You get onto not the boot but the metal part, and then you'll twist it and then pull it off. For doing this one over here, I would recommend taking off the number 4 injector connector. It gives you plenty of room because you don't want to snap that little booger off. Same thing, this one over here is going to be a little bit harder to get to because the coil rail, fuel injector rail, everything is right here, so it kind of gives you a smaller window to get to. This one over here, number 1 and 2, same thing. Take off your number 1 injector connector. To get to the back one over here, number 2, I was able to use this with no problem, and then a magnet to pull it out. If mine has a magnet on here, but it is a piece of shit. It doesn't want to hold the plug in, so I had to use an additional magnet. But for number 1, because it is such a tight area down in there, my normal tool would not get into there. So what I did is I used the small right angle, got down in between here underneath the bottom, and I was able to catch the bottom of the boot where the metal part is at, rotate it, and then pull it off that way. But the bigger spark plug tool could not get down inside there, wrap around it, and get to it. Going back on, use the same tool, just push it on. You'll feel it, it'll go click. I also did disconnect the, what is that? Whatever sensor that is going to, look like just a pass-through connector, so it goes to something down there. But yeah, do make sure that you use the platinum plugs, 100,000 miles for these. That is the interval. I used a set of NGK laser platinums. Let's see, where's our part number? Bosch works, which is OEM, but I believe on this one here, NGK is supposed to be OEM. So it's like someone didn't put this on right. We're fixing that. Same thing with this up here. Look at that, people doing work on this shit and don't put stuff back right. That's what causes vacuum leaks. So I'm gonna fix that for the customer. But anyways, just tighten them down. 3 of them were really loose. I didn't even need a ratchet. I could take them right out. So the last person who did it didn't tighten them down enough. But other than that, relatively simple. He doesn't want to do the plug wires, which is another 100,000 mile kind of thing, but it fires up and runs good before I started the work, so no misfire on that point. But questions, comments, feel free to let me know.